Hey guys, we are here again. Welcome to another episode of Driving in Lagos. Welcome to this channel. As you all know, this is the channel that brings Lagos to you. So today we are exploring the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. Stay with me. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. You're missing a lot. You're missing a whole lot. Kindly subscribe to our channel as we bring Lagos to you. This is Ogombo Road. This is Ogombo. Down Lekki. Ogombo in Lekki, for those of us that don't know the place. This is when you drive through Lekki Expressway and you get to where they call Abramade Sonya. You take your right and then that's how you connect to this road. This is Ogombo Road. So right now we are turning left because today we are exploring the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. This is the most talked about express in Nigeria today. In fact, this is the most talked about road in Nigeria today. It is still under construction as we speak. Today we are going to explore the Lagos section of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway based on popular demand. Yeah, some people have come to my comment section to ask me when I'm going to, make a documentary on this road, or when I'm going to drive through this road for them to see. Yeah, this coastal highway we're talking about is Nigeria's biggest project at the moment. This is Nigeria's biggest project. I know some people will come and argue. No problem. Come to the comment section and make your comments as usual. But as far as I'm concerned, this is Nigeria's biggest project currently. So this particular road we are on right now is Okunaja Community Road. Before the coastal highway was created, the road just ran straight to the Okunaja community, where you have almost 50% of the entire beach, that's sea beach in Lagos. So this is the coastal highway. Currently, we've already entered the road. This road you're seeing is, like I said earlier, is Nigeria's biggest project, or let's say one of Nigeria's biggest projects, so that I will not sound conclusive. This road is 700 kilometers in length from Lagos to Calabar. This road, like I said, is 700 kilometers, and in its journey, it crosses 9 coastal states. 9 states. These states are Lagos State, Ogun, Ondo, Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, then Cross River State, which is where Calabar is, and that is where the road ends from Lagos to Calabar. This road is planned to improve transportation, trade, tourism, and access to ports. There will be more seaports in Nigeria because of this road. Well, the road, at least as of July 2026, which we are in, the construction is progressing on multiple sections. Like they did not start the road from one point and then we'll just move straight to Calabar. They are building it section by section. So it started in multiple sections all at once. And subsequently, the Lagos section, in fact, it has been completed as we speak. Maybe just some final touches going on here and there. But it's already being prepared for commissioning and opening. The Lagos section begins from VI. From VI, that's Victoria Island in Lagos, down to the Ogun State border. And by November 2026, it should be ready for commissioning, or it should be commissioned by His Excellency, possibly the President of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So the way they plan this road, in some urban areas, it will have up to 10 lanes. That is the original plan. I don't know if they are still going by that, but it should have up to 10 lanes, while in some other areas, it may not have up to that. But this road is being constructed with concrete for longevity and, to carry heavy-duty traffic. Currently, we are in Jakonde. That's behind Sekumore, the other side of Sekumore, ShopRite, Jakonde bus stop. So this flyover you're seeing here, there's going to be an interchange here that will connect Jakonde to this coastal highway from Lekki Expressway to this coastal highway. There's going to be an interchange rather. There's going to be an interchange. Likewise, some other places along this road, we're going to have interchanges. Places like Victoria Island, they are going to build one in Victoria Island. They are going to build another one in Lekki Phase 1. That's towards behind Nike Art Gallery. So when you drive from Freedom Way, you get to the traffic lights in Lekki Expressway through Freedom Way, and then it will just cross to Nike Art Gallery Road and then to this road. So there's going to be an interchange behind Nike Art Gallery Road. There's another one that is going to be constructed at Shango Tedo, then another one at Eleko. That's down after Shango Tedo. Eleko, where we have Amen Estates, is it Jara Beach? I think it's Jara Beach, yeah, and some other beach along that line. So the road here, for those of us that are not in Nigeria currently, those of us that are not in Lagos, those of us watching this video from other parts of the world, this road, the Lagos section, which I'm focusing on today, runs from Victoria Island, Lagos, through landmark beach area, Oniru, Lekki Phase 1, Ikate, Jakonde, Chevron, Aja, Abramadesonya, which is where I started this video from, Shango Tedo, Ogombo. Sorry, Ogombo, not Abramadesonya. Ogombo. It's just behind Abramadesonya, so it's almost the same. Awoyaya, then Eleko Junction. That is section 1. That is not the Lagos section, it's just the section 1 of the coastal highway. The phase 2 or section 2 begins from Eleko to the Ogun State border, which is from Elerongbe, then Akodo, then Lakwe Coastal Corridor, then Ibejuleki communities. Then it will bypass the Lekki International Airport area. That's the proposed Lekki International Airport area, which is still under construction as well. The federal government is doing a whole lot. In fact, they are doing a whole lot. So it will bypass that airport, that proposed international airport in Lekki, and then it will hit the Ogun State border. That marks the end of the Lagos section of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. I believe this road will be named after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I think that is what is going to happen. We should expect that. I don't think that is news to anybody. So we're already in VI. This road ends. Yeah. Read what is written above there. This road ends here. So thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, please kindly do so. Thank you so much.